What's up, sixth grade? Today's writing intervention is super simple. We're just talking about breaking down a prompt. You've done this before. You're going to kill it. Let's go. All right, here's the prompt that you have. It's down on your writing intervention page of your writing intervention and homework packet. We're just going to be working on this one page today, so that's all we need to focus on. So here's the prompt that we're going to be answering during writing intervention and for homework. Let's do it. You've read two texts that claim that songs are an important part of protest movements. Write an essay that compares and contrasts the evidence each source uses to support this claim. Be sure to use evidence from both sources to support your response. So, first thing you got to do, mark up the prompt. This is how we're doing it. You're going to put a box around the claim that the articles make. Somewhere in this prompt it says, two articles make a claim. Put a box around that claim. Then you're going to circle the action words. That means when it tells you that you have to do something, circle what you got to do. It's only one thing. I'll give you that clue. And then you're going to underline the object of that action. So if it were identify, like it was last week, you would circle identify and underline theme because you're identifying the theme. So circle the action word, underline the object of that action. Don't skip this slide until your prompt is marked up with all those three things. Go. Great job. All right, now we're going to take a look at what your prompt should look like. There you go. So there's a box around songs are an important part of protest movements because that is the claim that both texts make. Then I've circled compares and contrasts because that's what we're going to have to be doing in this essay. We're comparing and contrasting. What are we comparing and contrasting? Great question. We're comparing and contrasting the evidence each source uses to support the claim. So I underlined that part of the prompt. I'm going to pause here. If your prompt doesn't look like this, mark your prompt up. Make sure it looks just like this. Don't skip the slide until it does. Good job. Next, let's move on. All right, now you're answering these 4 questions about the prompt. They're in your packet. Just answer them right there. The first question is, how many articles are you writing about? Really hope you can get this one. So, how many body paragraphs do you need to write? Remember, and listen closely, you need to write as many body paragraphs as there are articles. I'm only going to say it that once. 3, what claim do these articles make? You boxed it. And 4, what's the main thing that you need to do when writing your essay? Answer those questions. Don't skip the slide until you're done. Good job. Here are the answers. Hopefully you got them right. Easiest questions you'll see all day. You're writing about 2 articles, so then you have to write 2 body paragraphs. These articles make the claim that songs are an important part of protest movements. That's right from the prompt. And the one thing you need to do is compare and contrast the evidence they use. If for some odd reason you did not get these answers down, copy them down right now. Now it's your turn. You're going to rewrite the prompt in simple English, in your own words. It's at least 2 sentences. What do you have to do for this essay in your own words? 2 sentences, go. Good job, 6th grade. We'll see you tomorrow.